Hey everyone! Did you know that developers spend an average of a whopping 36 hours a week coding? That's a ton of time. But what if I told you that Cursor AI code editor could help you save a huge chunk of that time? Stick around, and let's find out how. Alright, let's dive into it. Cursor AI is an innovative code editor that's here to supercharge your coding efficiency and unleash your creativity. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Cursor AI is designed to make your coding experience smoother and more productive. So, let's explore how it can do just that. Now, we all know that coding isn't a walk in the park. Developers face loads of challenges that can really slow them down. Think about it, debugging errors, organizing code, and managing time effectively. It's easy to get overwhelmed, right? You might find yourself spending hours trying to figure out why your code isn't working. Or you could be drowning in a sea of messy comments and half-finished projects. It's frustrating. But that's where Cursor AI comes in to lend a helping hand. Cursor AI has some seriously impressive features that tackle these issues head-on. First, let's talk about its AI-driven suggestions. Imagine typing away, and Cursor AI instantly suggests code snippets or completions that fit what you're working on. Pretty cool, right? Plus, it has robust error detection that alerts you to mistakes before they become a headache. And don't forget about its user-friendly interface that keeps everything organized and easy to navigate. With Cursor AI, you can focus more on coding and less on stressing about the little things. Here's where it gets really interesting. Let me share a real-life example of how Cursor AI transformed a developer's workflow. Meet Sarah, a software engineer who is struggling to keep up with her projects. After switching to Cursor AI, she noticed a massive boost in her productivity. The AI suggestions helped her code faster, and the error detection saved her countless hours of debugging. She went from working late nights to finishing her tasks ahead of schedule. Talk about a game changer. Sarah's story is just one of many that showcase the powerful impact Cursor AI can have on a developer's journey. To wrap it all up, Cursor AI is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their coding experience. With its smart features and intuitive design, it empowers developers to work smarter, not harder. So, if you're ready to supercharge your coding, Cursor AI is definitely worth checking out. Before we go, I want to hear from you. Share your coding experiences in the comments below. Have you faced any challenges that Cursor AI could help with? And don't forget to check out my other videos for more coding tips and tools that can make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.